Agents, why do you do an open house? Most agents don't take full advantage of the opportunity that an open house offers. When you're preparing for an open house, the normal steps, of course, are to advertise on all social media that you're having the open house. But there are other important steps. This is your chance to meet the neighbors. You can send a mailer out ahead of time letting them know that you're having the open house, and you can invite them to a neighbors only time 1 hour before the open house starts. This makes them feel special, and you get to meet the neighbors. And they may have someone that they know that they are looking to purchase a home and can move in next to them. Another option is to arrive at the open house an hour before and knock on all the neighbors' doors. This gives you the opportunity to get to know the neighbors. We all know that open houses don't generally bring the buyer that purchases a home, but it is an opportunity to get to meet new people and to build your database and to find out why they are visiting the open house and to potentially be the agent that helps them purchase. If you'd like to know more about this, reach out to me and I'd be happy to help. I'm Jeanine Corcoran, broker for Corcoran Connect, that Florida real estate broker.